Did you know there's a bird that dives faster than a race car? Meet the Peregrine Falcon, a true marvel of the skies. This incredible bird is the fastest animal on Earth, reaching speeds of over 388 kilometers per hour in a breathtaking dive called a stoop. With vision 8 times sharper than humans, it can spot prey from nearly 2 miles away. The Peregrine Falcon soars high and then plunges at lightning speed, striking its target mid-air with razor-sharp talons. But it's not just a wild hunter. This adaptable bird thrives in cities, nesting on skyscrapers and hunting pigeons. So, the next time you look up, remember, the sky's fastest predator might just be watching you.